Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you how to make a reverse canvas picture using items from Dollar Tree. I got inspired by Country Charm by Tracy. She actually made one on her channel and it turned out really nice. So I wanted to try and make one using items from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested to see how I make this, just keep watching. Okay, so here's the items that I will be using for this DIY. I have here some black acrylic paint that I already had on hand. And from Dollar Tree, I have here some shoe polish. And Dollar Tree does carry different types of shoe polish, but this is just the one that I picked. And I'll be using the brown color. A staple gun that I already had on hand. Some scissors. A kitchen knife. And the star of the show is this 6 by 8 inch stretch canvas that I got from Dollar Tree. Okay, so the first thing that I did was remove the staples from the canvas using my kitchen knife. Now the reason I had to use my kitchen knife was because it was very sharp. I had tried multiple things and they were just too thick to get underneath that staple and pull it out. I don't recommend this technique unless you're, going to be careful. Just be careful because you can cut yourself, you can hurt yourself. If you're a kid, please have your parents guide you. If there's a different technique that you know of that you can pull these staples out, then do it that way. So with that being said, the knife worked well for me. Once I removed all the staples, I removed the canvas from the frame as well. And then I took the shoe polish and I started staining the picture frame. Okay, so here's what it looks like once I gave it a couple of coats with the shoe polish and it's dried. Okay, so for the canvas part, I just took my scissors and cut right where it was folded. So the stencils that I have on hand were just way too big for my picture frame. So I decided to just freehand it. Just go with the flow, and I used a very old technique that I learned in art school years ago, and it just worked well for me. So yeah, it is what it is. And here's what it looks like after I was done tracing it. And now I'm going to take my black acrylic paint and I'm going to color it in. And I did this off camera because it was a little bit challenging for me doing it freehand. I then took the frame and placed it where I want the front of the frame to be down. And where I took the staples out, you can see in this picture, I want it looking at me. And then I took the canvas and placed it right on top and used my staple gun to staple the canvas right to the wood frame. And I'm going to do that part off camera because that takes a little bit more work. So there you have it, guys, a reverse canvas picture frame. These are perfect for a bathroom. If you're into the farmhouse rustic look, these are perfect. They are affordable to make and you can get creative with it. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for taking the time out to watch, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.